What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and this is going to be like one of those videos that you've probably seen 1,000 times, but I just wanted to show you my unique setup, and we're going to be talking about my Motovlog setup. And I've had this GoPro for going on 2 years, and I used it once, but the battery sucked and I just kind of didn't really feel like using it anymore. So I set it down. It got dusty. I bought an Insta360 X2 like last year, and that thing worked pretty well. It works pretty good, but I just realized that I wasn't really into the 360 video craze like, you know, a lot of people are, especially when it's motovlogging. I just don't really like it, and so I wanted to try to go back to the GoPro. And so when I did, I've been testing it out for the last couple weeks, and I actually like it. So you just got to find your settings and everything like that. But on to what I have done. So basically, I'm still rocking the GoPro Hero 8 Black, and I got the media mod on there, got the chin mount on the helmet. And what I did to solve the battery issue, is nothing new or anything like that, but I will show you. This is a 10,000 milliamp battery pack from Anker, and what I did was I secured it with some industrial Velcro, both sides obviously, and then I just used the right angle USB-C charging cable, and then routed that through inside the helmet along with my Moto. I have to check the brand on this one, but I think it's called like Movo, and I actually have it in here set up right under the chin, right in front of the vent right there. So I've been testing it out. If you look at some of the videos, my ride videos, you'll see that it works pretty flawlessly. And then this milliamp battery, man, it solved all the issues. So now when I ride, I don't have to worry about carrying 3 or 4 freaking batteries on me. I don't have to worry about them being like high powered or whatever you want to call them, but I don't have to worry about that. All I gotta do is make sure this is charged up, and it's 10,000 milliamps, so I mean, it doesn't really run out, and I'm good to go. So if you liked that video and you found it interesting, give me a like, thumbs up, whatever it is you want to do. But yes, this works for me. May not work for you. I will be trying something a little different. I'm waiting on another part to come in because I want to try the Insta360 X2 on the chin mount. I want to try that just to see how it is. Basically what I really want, while the GoPro is working just fine, I want like a wider field of view, and I know that the X2 does have a wider field of view, but I want to just try it out before I go out and buy like a DJI Action 4 or even a new GoPro 12. So I just want to try what I have to see if it's going to work for me, and if it does, I don't have to upgrade to anything. I don't have to spend any more money, and I think that's always a good thing. But anyways, catch you in the next one. Peace.